Hi, my name's Ted Denny. I'm the lead designer here at Synergistic Research, and today I want to tell you about an exciting new product, the new Synergistic Research Master Fuse. We voiced and developed this fuse to supercharge the performance of your stereo, especially beneficial for stereos with either a loom of our purple fuse or our orange fuses, where you just need to add a few of these, one or two. Most systems will not benefit beyond one or two, for a dramatic increase in resolution, lowering of the overall noise floor in this system, expansion of the soundstage, improved dynamic weight and extension and control, and extended high frequencies that at the same time as having more information and resolution are also smoother and more musical. So we're going to pop this in the system on the Berkeley DAC and let you compare the difference between the Synergistic Research Master Fuse and a Synergistic Research Purple Fuse. Let's get started.
I see trees that are green, red roses too. I watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see trees that are green, red roses too. I watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I hear babies cry, I watch them grow, and they'll learn much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, oh, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of the people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? But they're really saying, I love you. I see trees that are green and red roses too.
Well, I hope you were able to hear the differences in the Synergistic Research products with and without. And we look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot and bye for now.